This is the HP 27-inch Ultra Slim monitor. It's a pretty affordable monitor going for 35,000 Kenyan shillings on Jumia, but I believe it is now going for 28,000 Kenyan shillings. It has full HD display and it has met all my needs. I've been using it for the last 3 months to do a lot of things. Let us unbox this monitor and see what is inside. As you can see, it is not complicated to unbox it. It only has a few stuff inside once it is opened, and it is very well packaged. It contains an HDMI cable, a power supply, and the hinge. It also has a free USB disk, a VGA cable, and a power connector. The hinge is pretty stable, and you should use a screwdriver to tighten it, as you can see in the video. This is the real monitor itself, and it looks nice and sleek, and yeah, I've been using it all the time, and yeah. So you can see now the monitor is on its hinge. This is the hinge, and it's pretty stable. Yeah, so this is the monitor, and yeah, it's been really nice. Thank you for watching, and